motivation.
Yes, very good evening to all of you. I hope my audio video is clear. Just type clear in chat box if my audio video is clear. Yes, I can see you all. Yes, just type clear in chat box. Yes, I can see Paniraj, I can see Kriti, I can see Vijay Lakshmi. Yes, I can see Vignesh, Rupali, Dharan Singh, I can see Raghavendra. Yes, Atharya, Dhirya, Gauri. Yes, Namaratha, Tushar, yes, clear, 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 clear. I can see you all are typing clear. That's great. Bhakti, Samriddhi, yes, Akshay, Monica, Adesh, Ponu, Ram, Naveen, Manjunath, Manjeet, Anish. I can see everyone. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So that's great. So I welcome you all in this GST Live Masterclass where we will be learning GST practically today. Okay, so are you ready? Just type ready in chat box. Yes, Rohit is saying notes as well. Didn't find on Telegram. Don't worry. Due to some technical issue, we were busy and not posted notes in Telegram. But you will get all notes and everything in our Telegram group. Okay. So yes, my audio is clear. Just type clear in chat box if my audio is clear. Yes, Giri Raj is saying echo audio, please correct. Is it clear? Yes, I can see you all are typing clear, 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 clear. That's great. That's great. Okay, so now today we are going to learn about GST practically. So I'll share my screen. Okay, just let me share my screen now. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so what is my goal for today's masterclass? My goal for today's masterclass, I'll tell you why accounting and tax consulting business is easiest way to earn income and live freely. How you can, why starting an accounting and tax business is easiest way to earn well and live freely. I'll talk about this today. I'll talk about how anyone, even if you are from non-finance background, how anyone can learn accounting and taxation and how you can get clients quickly. I'll discuss about this today. Okay, I'll discuss how you can do work from anywhere with just a computer and free piece of software. I'll talk about free software also, how you can do work from anywhere with just a computer. You can provide GST, return filing services, registration services, accounting services. I ITR filing services, how you can do all these things. I'll discuss about this today with just a computer and free piece of software. So are you ready to learn all these things? Just type ready in chat box. Sir, Anurab is saying audio is not coming. Arnab is saying, Arnab Basu, audio is not coming. I hope my audio is clear. Yes, yes, I can see you all are typing. Jagan ready, Sayyad ready. Yes, I can see Raghavendra ready, Mehak ready. Yes, yes, great, 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 great. I can see you all are typing ready. So let me tell you, my room is right now full. Okay, so we have full capacity right now. So if you will leave this session right now, you will not be able to join back. Okay, because already a lot of people are waiting outside. So if you will leave this Zoom session right now, you will not be able to join back. And I can still see some people would like to join. So let me share with them our YouTube link, because a lot of people are also waiting in waiting list. So let me share YouTube live link, because I'm also going live on YouTube, since a lot of people are waiting and they are not able to join this Zoom session. So let me share my YouTube live link with my team, so that people who are in pipeline, or maybe people who are not able to join, they can join on my YouTube live. Okay, so let me share my YouTube live link with my team. Just give me a second. My YouTube channel name is CA Kunal Kumar, and already a lot of people are waiting there. So just let me share YouTube live link with all of you guys, with my team, so that people who are not able to join due to our capacity limit, they can join on YouTube. Okay, all right. So now we are good to go. Yes, this setting, is there any setting so that I can hear, sir? Uh, yes, I hope you all are comfortable with the language what I am speaking right now. I'm using simple to understand English, और बीच बीच में मैं हिंदी भी बोलता रहूंगा. So I hope you all are comfortable with my language, because I'm not using any. Yes, Vibha is saying Hindi, English only. I can say English, Hindi, English, Hindi. I'm getting mixed response. So I'll be speaking mixed language, English language, simple to understand English. Okay. So I hope you can understand that and you can manage with that. Okay. Yes, that's great. English only, because I don't know Hindi. Sir, English. Okay, English. Kannada, I don't know Kannada. I'm from Delhi. Okay, I'm from Delhi, so I can speak Hindi and English only. Okay. So my mix rakhunga, I'll be speaking mix, but primarily I'll be speaking in English. Okay. So now, before we start, let me tell you, this masterclass will be for next 90 to 120 minutes. You can see watch on your time. Okay, you can see time in your watch. It's already 8:05, and this masterclass, this session will be for next 90 to 120 minutes. So you will be with me for next 90 to 120 minutes. If you have some other appointment, you have to go for dinner, or you have to do something else, please leave this session right now, because if you can stay focused for next 90 to 120 minutes, then only you can take complete benefit. Otherwise there is no use. I hope you are sitting with proper notes and everything and taking proper notes. You are carrying your notebook and pen and paper with you, something like this, and you are taking notes. Just type notes in chat box if you are taking notes. Yes, just type notes in chat box if you are ready and taking notes. Just type notes, 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 notes in chat box. I can see you all are Manjeet typing notes, Ramaswamy notes, Daya notes, yes, Namartha notes, Panu notes, Palak notes, Rajeshwari notes, Mehak notes. I can see you all are typing notes. That's great. That's great. So no, I know you will be having a lot of question and answers. So I'll be taking all your question and answers at the end of today's session. There is separate Q&A box right now. You can see one is chat box where we will be doing engagement, and there is separate next session. This is a session only. There is a separate Q&A box where you can write all your questions. So I'll be taking all your questions at the end of today's session, and you will also get chance to unmute yourself and talk to me. Okay, I'll also discuss further queries and everything. Can you tell us what to note down, when what is important? Yes, Rohit, I'll be telling you all these things. Swapnil is saying please speak in Hindi. हाँ जी, मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी बोलता रहूंगा, बट माई प्राइमरली आई बी स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, बट मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी बोलता रहूंगा. ठीक है, ओनली हिंदी इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल परेश, क्योंकि देर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, पीपल ज्वाइन फ्रॉम साउथ इंडिया एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई बी स्पीकिंग मिक्स लैंग्वेज प्राइमरली इन इंग्लिश. ओके, बिकॉज इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड इफ यू हैव टू ग्रो, चाहे जो भी कहते रहे हम, but we have to, well, if you want to go in corporate, you want to go and work with US client, if you want to go in good companies, then there also English is mandatory. Okay, if you go for an interview, definitely they will speak in English. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Yes, yeah, that's great. All right. So now, if you will stay till the end, I'll be also sharing special gift, that is free GST invoicing tool worth rupees 5,000 that help you create free GST invoices and payment reminders. I'll be sharing that notes and everything, and free GST invoicing tool. If you will stay with me till the end, I'll be sharing this tool link with you with training video. I'll be sharing this link with you all. Okay, so I hope you all will stay till the end to get this free GST invoicing tool. Sir, I'm CMA student. Is this webinar is going to benefit me? Yes, absolutely. Kritika, this is for CMA students as well. People who are qualified CMA can also join. Yes, Ritu, we will be starting. Don't worry. So I have asked you for 90 to 120 minutes. So be there, have patience. If you are looking to consume something very quickly, you can go and watch on my Instagram channel. There I post videos and give 1 minute learning. If you are looking to learn something very quickly, 1 minute learning, you can go to my Instagram channel. This is a power pack session for next 90 to 120 minutes. Okay, so I hope you are ready. Okay, yes, this is completely benefit for ACCA students, and yes, you can share Ishika with your sister and everything. Okay, for this session there will be no certificate. Okay, so I'll be sharing this GST invoicing tool only with the people who will stay till the end. Just type end in chat box. Just type end in chat box. Just type if you will stay with me till the end to get this free gift. Okay, I can see you all are typing end. That's great. That's great. That's great. Yes, it will definitely help CAs also. It will definitely help CAs also. Okay, so now let me tell you, if you want today's session notes, you can scan this QR code and join my Telegram group to get today's session notes. Okay, we will be sharing these notes maybe by today or tomorrow maximum. So if you want today's session notes, just scan this QR code and join our Telegram group. Okay, join our Telegram group if you want notes. Just type Telegram, or I'm sharing Telegram group link also in chat box. No, there will be no recording, no replay. So you have to attend it live. You have to attend this session live. So I'm sharing Telegram group link also in chat box. I hope you all got Telegram group link in chat box. Yes, I hope you all got Telegram group link in chat box. Yes. Have you received Telegram group link in chat box? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So this I'll be sharing it only in Zoom. Okay. This I'm sharing only in Zoom. Okay. All right. I'm sharing only in Zoom. People who are in my YouTube live, they are not able to get this link, or maybe you can scan this QR code and join my Telegram group. Now let's start. So this masterclass is for anyone who want to ditch their 9 to 5 job. If you are already doing 9 to 5 job and you want to ditch your 9 to 5 job and want to start your own accounting and tax consulting business, then this masterclass is for you. Or maybe you want to have some supplement income, part-time income by doing GST registration work, by doing GST return filing work, by doing ITR filing work, by doing accounting work. If you are looking to for something like this, then this masterclass is for you. Okay. Okay, this masterclass is for you. If you are this masterclass is for anyone who is motivated by virtually unlimited income potential. If you want to provide these kind of services, accounting and tax consulting services online virtually, then this masterclass is for you. This masterclass is for anyone who want to do work from home and want to set your own schedule. If you are looking for work from home, just type WFH in chat box. Just type WFH in chat box. If you are looking for work from home, I can see Monica typing WFH, Namrata work from home, Guru work from home, Lokesh, Bhakti, Dhaya, Sashwat, Ponu, Shweta, Astha, Kajal, Ramaswamy, Kumar. Yes, I can see you all want work from home. Yes, this masterclass is if you are looking for work from home. This masterclass is for if you are homemaker and you got good break in your career. Okay, maybe due to child or maybe family responsibility, Now you want to restart your accounting and tax consulting career. Now you want to restart your accounting and tax consulting career, then this masterclass is for you. This masterclass is for bookkeeper or accountant working for someone else. If you are right now working for someone else, now you want to start something of your own, then this masterclass is for you. This masterclass is for person who is retires, maybe retired from bank, finance sector, non-finance sector, even if you are insurance agent, real estate agent, or something like that, or maybe you have retired from any company. Now you want to start, you want to play your second inning, you want to start your own accounting and tax consulting business, then this masterclass is for you. Okay, all right, all right. So now let me tell you, we are this room is completely full. If you will leave this session, you will not be able to join back, because already 250 people have also joined in our YouTube live also. Already 250 plus people have joined our YouTube live also, and this Zoom room is again full. You will not be able to join back if you will leave. Okay, and this masterclass is for anyone. If you want more out of life, if you want more out of life, just type uh yes, if you want to do something more by accounting and tax consulting business, and you will feel like, yes, this masterclass is for me, I was looking for something like that, just type me in chat box. Just type me in chat box if you were looking for something like that. I can see Daya typing me, Amit me, Muhammad typing me, Sai Krishna typing me, Anisha typing me, Jyoti me, Pani me, Amoh me, Gaurav me, Varsha me, everyone of you is typing me in chat box. That's great. That's great. So now let me tell you what I'm going to cover today. What is my agenda? Okay, what is my agenda? What I'm going to cover today? Just let me show my case study first. The case study which I'm going to cover with you all today. Just let me open that first. Let me open the case study which I'm going to cover today with you all. Just a second. I'm opening my case study right now. Where it is? Where it is? Yeah, here it is. I'm opening my case study right now, which we are going to cover. Just a second. Just give me a second. Yes, it is also for CA student, Krishan. If you are CA student, definitely it is relevant for you. So what I am going to do today, I am going to tell you practical. This is 100% practical session, and I'll take you into GST portal, and we will be learning how to file GST return practically live on GST portal. Yes, Kritik, it is also for 12th pass people also. If you are BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA, okay, CA student, CMA student, company secretary, lawyer, engineer, this is relevant for everyone. Okay, yes, Pawan. Okay, so yeah, please, can you see my screen now? Yes, love you from Chennai. That's great. So can you see case study on my screen right now? Just tell me. Can you see case study on my screen right now? Just type case study in chat box. If you can see case study on my screen, just type case study or CS in chat box. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Great. Case study, all you can see. Case study. Yes, that's great. That's great. So now I hope you all can see case study on my screen. So what we are going to learn, we will be filing GSTR1 and GSTR3B for this client practically live on GST portal. This is a complete data given, and we will be filing. Do you know where to go to file GST return? Do you know where we can file GST return practically? Do you know where? Yes, yes. I think my audio and video quality is okay. Yes, I think my audio and video is good. Is it okay? Just type clear in chat box. Just type clear or okay in chat box. Both are good. That's great. So where do we file our GST return? On GST portal? Yes, absolutely right. We go to GST portal and file GST return practically. Okay, so we need to click on this login button. Yes, can you see this login button right now? Can you see this login button right now? So we need to provide username and password. You need to log in with your username and password. Then only you can file GST return. Yes or no? Now tell me one thing. Do you have GST portal user ID or password? Yes or no? Do you have GST portal user ID or password? Yes, lot of you are saying no, 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 no. Okay. So you don't have GST login ID and password. Do you have GST login ID or password? Answer is no. Everyone is saying no. Few people, let's say 10 or 20 people, they are asking, yes, we have user ID and password. So tell me, if you don't have user ID and password, then how you will practice on GST portal? How you will practice GST return filing? How you will learn? Now I'm here with you today with one solution. Just listen to me very carefully. I'm here with you all guys with one solution. Can you see this case study? Can you see this case study? Once you click on this case study and click on this start button, once you click on this start button, can you see this simulated website, GST simulated portal built for educational purpose only? Can you see this portal? Yes, can you see this portal, which is GST simulated website? This is a copy of original website. This is not original portal. This is a copy of original website which is built for educational purpose, where we can do login, and I'll be providing you user ID and password, where we can do GST return filing, where we can do GST registration for practice purpose. For each and everything, whatever we can do on GST portal, same thing we can do on this simulated platform. Is it mind blowing? Is it mind blowing? Whatever things we can do on original portal, we have built a website which is a copy of original website, where you can do GST return filing, GSTR1 filing, 3B filing, registration, composition scheme, e-way bill generation, all those things what we can do on original portal. It is a copy of original portal, so that you can do practice, so that you can have hands-on experience. Is it interesting? Just tell me. Is it interesting, mind blowing, game changer? Just tell me in chat box. Yes, yes, I can see Manjuna typing. Yes, Abdul, yes, interesting, interesting. Shawan, interesting. Yes, yes, mind blowing, game changer. Yes, I can see you all are typing. So, with the help of this simulated platform, today I'll be showing you how to file GST return, because we can't go on original portal because you don't have login ID and password. And in this simulation, you can do practice also. You can file GST return. And just listen to me very carefully. It is not only for GST, but also for income tax. Also, we have created similar portal where you can do income tax return filing practice. It is a copy of original portal, not only for income tax, but also for MCA also, where you can learn MCA company incorporation, also MSME registration, also lot of things like labor laws you can also practice with the help of all these simulation, or you can call it as experiential learning. Okay, is it great? Is it great? Just type great or mind blowing or yes, anything you would like to say. Yes. So what I'm going to do today, we are going to do this practical case study on this simulated platform, simulated GST platform. So are you ready? So are you ready to do this GST return filing? But before moving into this GST practical part, I would like to spend some time into theoretical part. I would like to spend some time into theoretical part, and before moving into this practical case study, I would like to run quick poll also. I would like to run quick poll also before moving into this practical case study. I will like to run quick poll. Okay, so now let me, this poll may be visible only to audience who are there on Zoom. For people who are live on, you can see people are also live or right now on my YouTube also. So people, maybe those all people who can't see this, poll. So I suggest you to attend in Zoom only to get better, maximum benefit. You have to be there on Zoom. Okay. Zoom will be more interactive and live. Okay, but YouTube is, I have created YouTube live stream because already 200 300 people, they are not able to join on this Zoom because Zoom capacity, we have limited capacity in Zoom only. So people who are there on YouTube, please keep on trying to come on Zoom, because I can see a few people will leave on this Zoom. I know few people will not be able to stay with me till the end. Always 5 10 20 people or maybe more people will leave this Zoom session. So audience who are there on YouTube, you can come on Zoom. Okay, audience who are there on YouTube, you already have Zoom link, so please come on Zoom to get better experience and maximum interaction. All right. So now, yes, Rohit Yadav is saying chat pop can be muted. Yes, you can control your chat box. Okay, you can control your chat box. You have option to mute or unmute your chat box if you are feeling this chat box is disturbing me, or I'm feeling annoyed or something. This is frustrating. You can control your chat box. Okay, you have option to control your chat box. Great. So now we will be starting this case study. But before starting this practical case study, I would like to run quick poll. I would like to run quick poll. Okay. Have you ever filed a GST return in your life? First poll is coming up on your screen. First poll is coming on your screen. Have you ever filed GST return yourself like GSTR 1 or 3B filing? If you have never filed, just select first option. If you have filed yes once or twice under guidance, just select second option. If you have filed few returns myself, then select third option, or last option if you do it regularly for your clients or maybe for your own business, just select fourth option. Please participate in this poll box, and this poll is available only people who are there on Zoom. Okay, only people who are there on Zoom. So people who are there on YouTube, please try to join my Zoom session. If you are not able to join my Zoom session because capacity is full, so just answer on YouTube chat. Yes, I can still see 78% only people have participated in this poll. What other 10-20% people are doing? It's not you are enjoying here. You have to participate. You have to give your 100% here. So I hope you are giving your 100%. If you are sitting in distraction free environment, just be here because you are holding one seat. And I don't want you to hold this seat if you are not focused, because other people, they are waiting on YouTube. You have holding this seat and people are waiting on YouTube. So if you are not serious, please leave this session, and people who are there on YouTube already waiting, please join this session. Okay. So I want your 100% participation. Please don't hold seat if you are really not serious. Okay. Please don't hold this seat. Okay. Yes. Great, great, great. Now I can see 82% people have participated. Still 8% people are not participating. So 75% people have never filed this GST return practically. 75% people have never filed this return practically. All right. So let me run one more poll. Let me run one more poll. What is your current GST knowledge? If you are complete beginner, just select first option. If you know the basic but you are not confident with the practical work, select the second option. If you have learned through videos and classes but you need real experience, you are already seeing a lot of YouTube videos, Instagram videos, but you need real experience, then select third option. If you are confident with the GST and do it regularly, then you are great. Then you can select fourth option. Okay, why I'm asking this poll? So that I can drive my session accordingly. Okay, great, 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 great. Yeah, Subhanshu Sahu, please don't post anything, otherwise we have to remove you. Subhanshu Sahu. Yeah, if you will post anything, all right, so we have to remove you. Yeah. So now you can see, yes. Great. So now again, I can see 41% people are complete beginner. 40% people are saying they know the basic but not confident with the practical work. And 10% people saying they have learned through videos and classes, but they need real experience. Real experience. Okay, great. So again, lot of people don't have practical exposure. So this session, today's session will be most benefited for first three category of people. Maybe fourth category of people, you can just view this session, but I'm giving you disclaimer. This session is completely beneficial for people who are beginner or people who need practical exposure, or maybe you have learned through videos and classes but you need real experience. So these three category of people will be getting most benefit from today's session. Okay, so now let me start this session. So before moving into practical part, is it okay if I spend some time into basic part? Just type okay in chat box or basics in chat box. Before moving into practical part, I have already shown you case study which we are going to cover today. Just type basics in chat box before moving into practical case study. Is it okay if I spend some time into basic part? Yes. Yes, I can see you all are typing basics, basics, basics. That's great. That's great. That's great. So I'll be spending some time into basic part and then we will move to practical part. So basic question first. Okay. Basic question first. And then I'll be moving into practical part. This is the practical case study which we are going to cover. We will go live into GST portal and we will see how to file GSTR 1 and 3B. If you are expert, maybe you will get less benefit from today's session. And if you want, you can leave. I don't want to waste time of anyone. Okay, I really don't want to waste time of any one person. If you want to learn how to file GSTR 1 3B practically, then this session is really relevant for you. If you want to build your own accounting and tax consulting business, then this session is for you. Okay. All right. So now let's come back with the basic part first, and then we will move to practical part. So now tell me one thing. Do you guys pay tax? Do you guys pay tax? Just tell me yes or no. Yes, lot of you are saying yes, few people are saying no. Yes, lot of you are Kumar saying yes, Mahesh is saying no, Yuvika saying no, Madhu is saying no. Yes, few people, Gaurav saying yes, we do pay tax. Okay, indirect tax, yes, absolutely right. Nil return, yes, yes, yes. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. What is this taxes? What is this taxes? Tax is nothing but the money that people pay to the government and which is used to provide public services. Tax is what? Tax is nothing but the money that people pay to the government, which is used to provide public services. It is mandatory financial charge or levy imposed by the government. Whenever we go to McDonald's and buy a burger, we pay tax. Whenever we buy this new mobile phone, we pay tax. Whenever we buy this calculator, we pay tax. So tax is everywhere. Okay, so this tax is used by the government to fund public expenditure, like to for building schools, hospital, colleges, infrastructure, metro, salary of government staff. This amount is used by the government to fund public expenditure. Yes or no? And we all pay taxes. We all pay taxes. Great. Yes, so please take all the notes. Okay, Rohit, I hope you are that much mature. I'm not going to tell you what to take notes, what you should take note and what you should not take note of. If you feel like something is important and relevant for you, you should take notes. Okay, I think we all are enough matured. I'm not looking for spoon feeding or something like that. And you know what you have to note and what you don't have to note. I'll be providing all the notes in our Telegram group. I hope you all have joined our Telegram group. Okay. I hope you all have joined our Telegram group. Great. So here Chanakya said, collect taxes from the citizen as honeybee collect nectar from the flowers gently and without inflicting pain. Here Chanakya said, collect taxes from the citizen as honeybee collect nectar from the flowers gently and without inflicting any pain. Okay, so now there are two type of taxes in India. One is direct tax and another one is indirect tax. Sir, I am 10th class. Please tell me what to note. You can note everything. Or if you will not note, I'll give you notes in Telegram group. Don't worry. Yes, Samir, I'll be covering GST return filing and lot of other things. So just have patience. I hope you are here and sitting with lot of patience and sitting with open mind. Okay. So now, what? Yes. Type of taxes. There are two type of taxes. One is direct tax and another one is indirect tax. One is direct tax and another one is indirect tax. What is direct tax? What is direct tax? Yes. Yes, Harsh Jain, don't type same thing again and again, otherwise we will remove you. Okay, we'll be providing Telegram link once again. Don't worry. We'll be sharing that link once again. If someone will be posting same thing again, 5 times, 10 times, so we will going to remove you. Don't, okay. So just focus here. I can see your text in one time in one text also. So yeah. So what is direct tax? Direct tax is directly charged on taxpayer and its burden cannot be shifted to someone else. It is progressive in nature. What do you mean by progressive? It means more income, more tax, less income, less tax, no income, no tax. More income, more tax, less income, less tax, no income, no tax. And I hope you know, as per new slab rate, as per new budget, up to what amount we don't have to pay income tax. Do you have any idea up to what amount we don't have to pay income tax? as per new budget, up to 12 lakh rupees. Yes, 12 lakh 75,000. Yes, absolutely. Prachikta, Ajinkya, Krishan, Lokesh, Vineet, Ankit, up to 12 lakh 75,000. We don't have to pay any income tax if we add standard deduction. Okay, and these are example of like direct tax are progressive in nature, income tax, corporate tax, property tax. These are example of direct tax only. On the other side, we have indirect tax. If we talk about US or other nation, like in US, we have federal tax and state tax. In if you talk about other tax, that is indirect tax, it is directly charged on goods or services, and its burden can be shifted by taxpayer to someone else. And it is regressive in nature. Can you tell me what do you mean by regressive? Can you tell me what do you mean by regressive? Can you tell me what do you mean by regressive? Regressive means equal for all. Whether you are rich, whether you are poor, you need to pay GST. Yes or no? Whether you are rich, whether you are poor, you need to pay GST. If you go and buy this mobile phone, you need to pay GST. Whether you are rich, whether you are poor, whether you buy this mobile phone or Mukesh Ambani will buy for his personal consumption, everyone will have to pay GST. Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you agree or not? Yes, it is mandatory for everyone. That is the reason we call it as regressive in nature. GST, VAT, excise duty, custom duty. This is indirect tax. This is direct tax. And I hope you know what is tax now. Yes, I hope you all know what is tax now. In India, we have two type of taxes. And GST came into India on 1st July 2017. Yes or no? Now, let me ask you one more question. Whenever you go to Haldiram and buy chole bhature, I hope you know what is chole bhature or maybe golgappe. Okay, in Delhi we call it as golgappe or pani puri or whatever name you call. So whenever we go to Haldiram and buy chole bhature or golgappe, we need to pay GST. Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no. Yes. But when when you go and buy same product, same item from your local vendor, local thele wala, that person is not charging GST. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why same person, same product, same item, I'm buying from local vendor, local telewala, that person is not charging GST? Can you tell me why reason? Because that local vendor, local person is not registered into GST. That person is not registered. Haldiram is registered. Who is required to take GST number? Can you tell me? That is based on your threshold limit. Yes, absolutely right. Who is required to take GST number? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea who is required to take GST number? Yes, it is based on your turnover. It is based on your turnover. Yes or no? It is based on your turnover. Yes. Can you see other screen on? Can you see my screen right now? Yes. Can you see my screen right now? Just a second. Yes. So who need to register under GST? Can you tell me who need to register under GST? It is based on your turnover limit. It is based on your turnover limit. Turnover means sales. So if you are dealing in goods, if you are dealing in goods and if your turnover is less than 40 lakh, then you are not required to take GST number. And if you are dealing in services and if your turnover is less than rupees 20 lakh, then you are not required to take GST number. If you are dealing in goods means selling mobile phone, selling shoes, selling jewelry, selling water bottles, selling TV, fridge, washing machine, these all are physical items. Yes or no? So if you are dealing with in physical items, then you need to register under GST. Yes or no? But if you are dealing in services, let's say photography services, matrimonial services, uh, beauty parlor services, okay, digital marketing services, financial services. In that case, if your turnover is exceeding rupees 20 lakh, then you are required to take GST number. Yes, it is for financial year. Absolutely right. It is for a year, not for a month. Yes, Durga, is it clear? So if your turnover is exceeding rupees this threshold limit, then you are required to take GST number. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, and there are turnover is sales. Turnover is sales. Is it clear? For any kind of services, tour and travel services, catering services, matrimonial services, wedding photography services, any kind of services. tutoring services, educational services. Is it clear? And there are cases when you are required to take compulsory registration. When you are required to take compulsory registration, okay, I'm not going to talk about this right now. It means if you, even if you have zero turnover, then also you are required to take GST number. Okay, even if you have zero turnover, then you are required to take GST number. And there are cases when people take voluntary registration. What do you mean by voluntary? Even if my turnover is less than 20 lakh, or let's say I'm just starting out, I'm just starting my business, people will take GST number, because sometime if we want to deal with big corporate clients, let's say if we want to deal with big corporate clients, then we need GST number. Yes or no? Yes, in that case we need to take GST number. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? I hope you all are enjoying this theoretical part. Definitely we will move into practical part, but this foundation, this basic structure is very important. Yes. This basic structure is very important. Just type enjoying in chat box. Yes, Vandan Garg is saying 40 lakh limit for saving account or current account. This is goods. If you are selling goods, it's not a bank wise limit. It's a overall limit. Whether you collect money in 3 account, 4 account, 5 account, bank account doesn't matter. Even in a year, if your turnover is exceeding rupees 40 lakh, then you are required to take GST number. Yes. Is it clear? Yes, I can see Daya typing, enjoying, Prabhat enjoying. Yes, overall sales per year. That's great. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to convey you here. Yes. Sir, any example for compulsory registration? Yes, these are the examples, but right now I don't want to confuse you, and let's understand this first. Okay, and I can see I invite people who are there watching this session on YouTube. Few people have left this session on Zoom. So I invite audience who are there on YouTube, please join me on Zoom. If you don't have Zoom link, just let me share this Zoom link with you all guys on YouTube, because I want you to have better experience and watch this session live with me on Zoom only. Okay, just let me share the Zoom link on my YouTube. Just a second. Just give me a second, because a lot of people are waiting on YouTube and they want to join live me on this a Zoom session. Just give me a second. And I don't want anyone to miss this session. Just give me a second. Just 1 second, please. Just a second. Just a second. Yes. So now I'm giving in chat detail where I can give. Uh, just a second. I'll just open. Yes. Join Zoom live for. Yes, I'm just posting. Yes. Can I pin this here? Yes, I'm pinning this message on my YouTube. Now you can see on YouTube, I have pinned the message to join YouTube live. Okay. Join Zoom live. I'm sorry. Yes. Now let's come back. Now let's come back. So let's say if I have taken GST number, my turnover is exceeding rupees 20 lakh, 40 lakh, then I'm receiving this, I got this GST number. What is next? Do I need to file GST return if there is no sale, no purchase? What happen if we not take registration? Then you will get notice from GST department. Don't worry. Okay, if you are asking, Vardhan Garg is asking if you'll not take GST number and my turnover is exceeding rupees 40 lakh, 20 lakh. Don't worry, you will get notice from GST department, and already this is happening in market. If you don't know, let me show you. Let me show you. People are not taking UPI, GST notices are coming. Are you aware about this latest news? Are you aware about this latest news? People are not opting for UPI payment. GST notice based on UPI transaction. Can you see this? This is happening. Okay, see this news today, 7 hours ago. People are worried now. Hunting small guys. You can see how 1020 payments spark. Can you see this type of, if you are collecting UPI payments, if you are running a shop or collecting UPI payment, then don't worry, you are going to get GST notice if you have not taken GST number, and if your turnover exceeding rupees 20 lakh and 40 lakh, soon you will get GST notice. Are you aware about this news? Just tell me yes or no. Yeah, Sarang is saying lot of street vendor are getting these notices. Yes. Can you see that government is tracking everywhere? Your Aadhaar is linked, your PAN is linked. So don't worry. You will get, and if you can read, सब्जी बेचने वाले को आया जीएसटी का नोटिस, कहा 29 लाख का टैक्स भरो। क्या आप हिंदी में पढ़ सकते हैं? इफ यू नो हिंदी, यू कैन सी सब्जी वाला, उसको कह रहे हैं कि 29 लाख का टैक्स पे करना है। स्ट्रीट वेंडर इज हैव टू पे 29 लाख रुपीज टैक्स, एंड इवन टुडेज न्यूज़पेपर आई वाज रीडिंग, it is also similar that. Yes or no? Are you aware about such kind of development in market? Yes, today's news in Bangalore. Yes, that is there. Yes, read on Instagram. Yes, absolutely. So it's true. You have to take GST number if your turnover is exceeding rupees threshold limit. Okay. So once you take GST number, you need to file GST return even if you don't have any sale or any purchase. Do you know that? Let's say I've taken GST number. What is next step? Okay, in my session, I'll be telling you how to do GST registration online. I'll tell you because I know you all know the theoretical part. You all know the theoretical part. I'll tell you how to take GST number practically. Once you take GST number, then you can have to file GST return. That is filing of GSTR1 and filing of GSTR3B. You have to do that. Filing of GSTR1 and filing of GSTR3B. You can do that. Yes, and how, what is this GSTR1 is? GSTR1 is summary of outward supply. What is this GSTR1 is? GSTR1 is summary of outward supply. Here we report all our sales on the government portal, GST portal. Here we report all our sales on government portal, GST portal on monthly basis. On monthly basis, we report our sales on GST portal. Yes or no? How do we report? We file GST return on regular basis. Right now, we are in the month of. Can you tell me right now we are in the month of? Right now, we are in the month of July. Yes, right now we are in the month of July. July 25. Whatever sales I'm doing in this month, let's say I did sales of rupees 50 lakh. Let's say I did sales of rupees 50 lakh and I collected 18% GST. I collected 18% GST. So can you tell me what is 18% of this 50 lakh? Sir, I am Karnataka. I don't. Okay, one person is typing Vinay. I am from Karnataka. I don't have any business, but I am superior of father business. I'll do UPI transaction of more than 40 lakh. Should I get GST number? Yes. If your bank account is created with more than 40 lakh, then you need to take GST number. 40 lakh. Okay. We'll just. Okay. So now we'll discuss all your questions. Please type all your question in Q&A box. Please type all your questions in Q&A box. And if you are watching on YouTube, please join Zoom link. I have already pinned my Zoom link session detail. Okay. Yeah. So now I have collected, let's say 9 lakh rupees GST. Will I keep this money with myself or I need to pay to the government? Just tell me. Will I keep this money with myself or I'll be paying this session to this 9 lakh rupees to the government? Yes, definitely. First, I'll file this GSTR1 11th of the next month. It means 11th August. 11th August, I will be filing GSTR1. On 11th August, I'll be filing GSTR1. Okay, and then after this 11th, I'll be filing GSTR3B. Here we file GSTR1. And after that, we will be filing GSTR3B. GSTR3B we will file on next month, 20th August. What is this GSTR1? Here we report all our sales on the government portal and I'll show you how to do that. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do that practically. Just stay with me till the end. Okay, just stay with me till the end. I'll be showing you how to do that. So we will be filing GSTR1 practically live on GST portal, and this GST which I have collected from people, I have to pay this to the government. Can you tell me when I need to pay this GST amount to the government? Can you tell me when I need to pay this GST amount to the government? It is on 20th of next month. Yes, Seema, absolutely right. 20th August. Sanjana, absolutely right. 20th August. Imtiaz, absolutely right. 20th August. Even my turnover is zero. Even if your turnover is zero, then you need to file your GST return. Do you know that? Even if my turnover is zero, I need to file nil return. Do you know that? Just tell me yes or no. Yes. Okay, even if your turnover is zero, you need to file nil return, zero return. It is mandatory. It's not like income tax. Okay, otherwise, if you feel like I'm not doing any business, then you can surrender your GST number. If you don't have any business for long period, it's been 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, you don't have any business. Okay, great. Yeah, just a second. Yes. So now, after filing this GSTR1, we will file this GSTR3B. Now tell me one more thing. Can we file GSTR3B without filing GSTR1? Is it possible? Yes, Vandan Garg, if you have any question, please write in Q&A box. Don't type your questions in chat box, okay? Otherwise, I'll miss your question. And I'll be taking all your questions at the end. Can we file GSTR3B without filing GSTR1? Answer is no. First, we need to file GSTR1 and then only we can file GSTR3B. Yes or no? Yes. Answer is first we need to file 3B. Oh, 1, then we can file 3B. And now how to do that? Main question is how to do that. How we will file GSTR1 and 3B? For that, we will move now into practical part. We will move now into practical part. I'll be showing you practical GST return filing now. Just give me a second. I'm opening my practical case study. Yes, I'm opening my practical case study. Can you see this practical case study now? Yes, and we will be doing this practical part now. Main part is started. This is the main part. This is the practical part, which you have not learned in your school or college. Maybe you have not seen anywhere how to file GSTR 1 on 3B. Now I'll be showing you step by step. So are you ready for this exciting part, practical part? Now I want you to give your 100% attention. I don't want you to miss this part. I hope you are ready and giving your 100%. Okay? Yes, 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 yes. If you are really not serious, invite people who are waiting on YouTube, let them join. Okay, I don't want to waste any seat. Great. Okay. So now let's see how to file this GSTR1 and GSTR3B. How to file this GSTR1 and GSTR3B. Now what I'll do, this is a practical case study. You are required to file GSTR 1 and 3B for the month of September 2022 for KR Bakers located in Ernakulam, Kerala. The required piece of information is given below. Okay, sales data is given. Sales data is provided. This is 3rd September 2022, 11th September 2022. Invoice number are given. Recipient GST number is given. Recipient name is given. Taxable value is given. GST rate is given. Invoice rate is given. Everything is given. Purchase data, inward supply means purchase data is given, GSTR to be detail is given, document details are given, and most important thing, you have been provided this user ID and password to do login on GST portal. Yes, can you see this practical case study? Now you have been provided this user ID and password so that we can practically file this GST return. Yes, is it amazing? Yes, so what I'll do, I'll just click on this Start Task button on this simulated platform. And once I click here, you can see I've been provided this login ID. I'll click on this login username. I'll just copy this username. I'll just copy this username and paste it over here. And I'll just copy this password and paste it over here. And then I'll click on 580460. This is not original platform. This is simulated platform built for educational purpose. If you want to learn how to drive a car, can you tell me if I'll just give you this book? Let me tell you, if I'll just give you this book and everything is written in this book like how to drive a car, can you just read from this book and learn how to drive a car? Just tell me honestly what you actually need. Can you just read from this book and learn how to drive a car? Answer is no. You need actual experience. You need practical experience. You want to sit inside in car so that you can learn how to drive a car. Similarly, if you want to learn GST practically, what you need? You need GST portal access. Without GST portal access, you can't do GST return filing and you can't learn. Yes or no? Do you agree on this point with me? Just type agree in chat box. Just type agree in chat box. You need GST portal access. I'll tell you how you can do access. Okay, don't worry. I know you want to do practice and you need access. I'll give you that access. I'll tell you about that at the end of today's session. So what I'll do, I'll just give you this login ID and password, and then we can practice on this GST portal. Is it amazing? I'll tell you how you can do that. Is it amazing? So I'll just click on login and boom. Once I click on login, now you are into GST portal. Now you are into GST portal. Is it amazing? Lot of you may be watching this GST portal for first time or viewing this portal for first time. Just type FT in chat box. Just type FT in chat box. Yes, I can see FT. First time, lot of you are watching this or viewing this portal for first time. Shweta is watching this portal, viewing this portal first time. Anish first time. Kumar first time. Asta first time. Krishan first time. Mahesh first time. I can see you all are typing FT and viewing this portal for first time. That's great. So, okay. Yeah, I'll provide you data and everything. Don't worry. So first understand how to file this GST return practically. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this return dashboard button. Can you see this return dashboard button? Just type yes in chat box. Yes. Just type yes in chat box. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this return dashboard and I'll be selecting my financial year. Can you tell me we need to file GST return for September 2022. So can you tell me which financial year I need to select? We are filing for September 2022. So is it financial year 22-23? Am I correct? Is it financial year 22-23 for which we need to file return? Yes or no? Yes or no? We need to file return for financial year 22-23. Yes or no? Yes. So what I'll be doing, I'll just go to my simulated platform, which is a GST portal. It is an educational portal for learning purpose, but it is same as we do work on original portal so that you can get experiential learning. Okay, so I'll be selecting this financial year 22-23. I'll be selecting my quarter, that is July, August, September. I'll be selecting my period, that is September, and then I'll click on search button. Once I click on this search button, boom, you can see GSTR 1, 2A, 2B, everything, whatever we do on original portal, same things are coming in this simulated platform. Yes or no? Yes, same all those things are coming on this simulated platform. First, we need to file. No, yes. Pagal one is saying is financial year 22-23 means assessment year 23-24. In GST, there is no financial year assessment year concept. That is in income tax. I think you are mixing up your concept. Okay, financial year assessment year concept is there in income tax. Again, if you are aware about new income tax bill is coming up and their government is removing this concept of financial year assessment year. From now onwards, I think if you read the news in this monsoon bill season, this income tax bill may be coming up. Okay, and then once this new income tax bill will be approved or is approved, then there will be no concept of financial year assessment year. Then we will call it only tax year. Okay, great. Yes, Prachita, absolutely right. We will call them tax year. So now we need to file GSTR1. We need to file GSTR1 for that. I'll just click on this button of prepare online. Can you see this button of prepare online? Yes or no? Yes, I know a lot of you want access of this simulated platform and you want to do practice yourself. Do you want access of this simulated platform and you want to do practice yourself? Just type I want access in chat. Just type I want access in chat box. I want to see how many people want access in chat box. Yes, I can see you all want access. Yes. Great. Babu is typing I want access. Sweta is typing I want access. Vardhan is typing I want access. Ram is typing I want access. I'll tell you about how you can get access at the end of today's session. Okay, I'll tell you right now, I'll be doing practice. At the end of today's session, I'll be telling you how you can get access and do practice yourself. Okay, so now let's focus. I'll come back and click on this prepare online button. Once I click on this prepare online button, I'll just scroll down and then I have multiple options. You can see B2B, SEZ, Special Economic Zone, DE, Deemed Export, B2C, business to customer, export invoices, B2C, business to customer, small or others, nil rated, debit note, credit note, unregistered, tax liability, adjustment of advances, HSNY summary, document issue detail, supply made through e-commerce, supply made under section 95. All these details are coming up and we have to fill all these details. We have to fill all these details. Yes. Yes, sir. If you give access, we can practice by seeing video. Yes, I'll tell you how you can do access. I know you really want to learn and you are really serious. I'll tell you how you can get an access. That's great. Okay, great. So now let's come back. Now let's come back. What I'll do, I'll just explain you each and every table and then we will fill this GST return practically live. Can you see this table 4A, 4B, 6B, 6C? Can you see all these tables? First is B2B, business to business. SEZ, special economic zone. D means deemed export. Okay. B2C, large, means business to consumer. If I am selling you something, will it be called as B2B or B2C? If I am registered into GST and you are also registered into GST, this sale will be called as B2B. If I am registered and you are also registered, it will be called as B2B. If I am registered, you are not registered, then it will be called as B2C. Yes, B2C. Yes, business to consumer, business to customer. Let's say you don't have GST number. If I am going to sell you something, it will be called as B2C. Yes, absolutely right. Yes, Udanya, Sangita, Sabana, absolutely right. Sir, can you give some real companies as it has example? Large invoice. Large means, what do you mean by large? Let me show you. Can you see this messages coming up? What it says? If you are selling something, interest rate and invoice value is more than 1 lakh. If invoice value is more than 1 lakh, then we call it as B2C large. Then we call it as B2C large. Is it clear? Is it clear? If invoice value is more than 1 lakh, it is will be called as B2C large. Otherwise, we will record in table number 7. Can you see table number 7? Yes. Can you see table number 7? Table number 7 is B2C other, means invoice value less than 1 lakh. Is it clear? Just tell me clear in chat box. If you are clear till this point, just type clear in chat box. Just type clear in chat box and I can still see. Yeah. Clear, 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 clear. Okay. And I further invite YouTube people to join Zoom live. I have few seats available in this Zoom right now. Again, if you are watching my this session on YouTube, please join on Zoom session. There you will get better experience, live interaction I'll be doing in Zoom. Okay. So I've already pinned my Zoom session link. Join in Zoom session link for live experience, better experience. I have few seats available in Zoom right now. Okay, that's great. So now let's come back. Now let's come back. What I'll be doing, you can see B2B, B2C export means selling something outside India, like in US, Australia, Canada. B2C nil rated. If you are selling something that is exempted, debit note, credit note registered, debit note, credit note unregistered. If you have received any advance adjustment, HSNY summary, document issue details, supply made through e-commerce. Let's fill all these details one by one. Now tell me, sales data is already given to you. Sales data already given to you. Not clear. Explain again. Ishika, what's your doubt? Okay, Ashwin is saying not clear. Not clear. I hope, what is your doubt? Please tell me. B2C large means invoice value more than 1 lakh. Export means selling something outside India. B2C other means invoice value less than 1 lakh. Nil rated, it is not applicable in our case. Debit note, credit note means sales return, purchase return. Adjustment of advances, HSNY summary. We'll fill all these details step by step. So just wait. Okay, just wait. All right. Great. So now let's come back. Can you see this B2C data? B2C, oh, sorry. First one is B2B or B2C? Can you tell me first one is B2B or B2C? If you have joined from my YouTube, just mention in chat box also. I want to see how many people have came here from YouTube. Just type join from YouTube. Okay. Just type in Zoom, join from YouTube. If you are coming. Yes, I can see one person. Moksh Bhalla is saying join from YouTube. Great. Yes, Sanjay Balid is saying join from YouTube. Karush Nish is typing join from YouTube. Great. Mohammed is also from YouTube. Suchitra is also from YouTube. Great. So now second one is B2C. This one GST number is not given, so we will call it as B2C. Yes, B2C. First one is B2B. Second one is B2C. So now let's fill all these details. Now let's fill all these details. So how I will be filling all these details. So now I'll just click on this first invoice B2B. Once I click here, I'll click on this add record button. And once I click on this add record button, I will further scroll down and provide recipient GST number, recipient name, invoice number, invoice date, total invoice number, POS, place of supply. I'll fill all these details one by one. Are you ready? Yes, are you ready? We will fill all these details one by one. Now let's start. First one is recipient GST number. So I'll just copy this GST number and paste it over here. I'll provide recipient name. What is my recipient name? Hotel Nakshatra. I'll just copy and paste it over here. Then I'll provide invoice number. What is my invoice number? Invoice number 456. I'll just copy this invoice number and paste it over here. And then invoice date. What is my invoice date? It is 3rd September 2022. So I'll just fill 3rd September 2022. Then I'll provide my total invoice value. Can you tell me what is my total invoice value? Is it 1 lakh or 1,18,000? Can you tell me? Yes, Dhaya is typing right. Mansi is typing yes, yes, yes. Great. It is 1,18,000. 1,18,000. And I can see people are also there on YouTube and they are also typing like Niharika, Indumati, Jatin, Gautam Singh, Narendra Thakur. They are also active on Future Finance. Okay. So I can see there are audience also on YouTube also, but yes, in Zoom. Yeah. So now I'll fill 1,18,000. 1,18,000, right? Great. Great. 1,18,000. I'll scroll down and then it is already coming. POS is place of supply, Kerala, supply type intrastate. If you are from same state, it will be called as intrastate. I'm from Delhi, you are from Delhi. If I am going to sell you something, it will be called as intrastate supply and CGST and SGST will be charged. Yes or no? If I further scroll down, taxable value, you can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and GST rate is 18%. And taxable value. What is taxable value? Taxable value is 1 lakh rupees. So I'll just select 1 lakh rupees here. I'll just select 1 lakh. Can you see that? 1 lakh rupees. And then I'll click on save button. Once I click on the save button, you can see I'll just click on go back and then you can see I have added my B2B and SEZ and deemed export. All these invoices I have added. First one is B2B. So B2B I have already added. Is it clear? Just type clear in chat box. If it is clear, just type clear in chat box. Yes, I can see all are typing clear, 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 clear. That's great. That's great. I hope you all are enjoying this practical part. Just tell me in chat box. Just tell me in chat box if you are really enjoying. Have you learned in your school or college like this? Have you learned in your school or college like this? Have you done this practical part in your school or college? Just tell me. Yes, Dilip is saying yes, enjoy. And lot of you are typing no, 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 no. Then what you have learned in your school or college? Okay. All right. Then what you have learned in your, maybe you have learned theory part. Yes, if I'm not wrong, you have learned theory part. Great. But when we go for a job, when we want to start our business as accountant, tax consultant, we need practical exposure. Otherwise, we don't get job, we don't become employable. If you want to become employable, you need to learn practical skills. Yes or no? You need to learn practical skills. Yes, you have to connect to your theoretical knowledge, what you have done in your school. I know how we do our BCom exam. We all know how we do our BCom. It's just 1 week before or 2 week before. We just read 10-year papers and just go for an exam and clear our exams and we get degree. But in today, 2025, where AI is there, you have to have skilled person. Skill is more important than degree. Okay. Yes, Vandan Singh, I can see when you type once. Okay, don't type same thing again and again. And if you have any question, I told you to ask question in Q&A box. Don't ask your question in chat box. I hope you understand that. Okay. Yes, Vardhan Garg, please ask your question in Q&A box. Don't write your question in chat box, please. Okay. So yeah, so now let's come back. I know how we do BCom and it's very, that is the reason we are not employable. And I also came from same education background, same education system. So we know we spent 3 years, 4 years, and still after 3, 4 years, people don't become employable. And the reason is we don't get practical exposure. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Great. So now, yeah, degree is important. But if you have degree, you don't have skill, there's no use. But if you have skill, even if you don't have degree, you can become employable. Yes. So now let's come back and let's add our second invoice. Here we have the second invoice, that is B2C, Jaya Shankar, Kerala, 10,000, 18% GST, 11,800 is the invoice value. I'll just go there. So now can you tell me, my invoice value is 11,800. My invoice value is 11,800. Now how to add or where to add this second invoice? Is it in table number 5A or table number 7? Where to add? Is it in table number 5A or table number 7? Yes, absolutely right. Jobita, Astha, Nandini, Manjunath, table number, no, Manjunath is typing 5, wrong. Kirti, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Absolutely. We will fill in table number 7. Yes. So where we will fill in table number 7. And what I'll do, I'll just click on 7 and then I'll click on add record. Once I click on this add record, again, you can see POS, place of supply. Can you tell me what place of supply I'll be filling here? Can you tell me what place of supply I'll be filling here? See my case study, it is Kerala. It is Kerala. So what I'll be doing, I'll be selecting Kerala. I'll be selecting taxable value. What is my taxable value? Is it 10,000 or 11,800? Just tell me. Is it 10,000 or 11,800? Yes, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Taxable value means excluding GST. Invoice value means including GST. Yes or no? So here my taxable value is 10,000. So what I'll do, I'll just fill 10,000 as taxable value. Yes or no? Is it clear? Is it clear? Just type clear in chat box. Again, I invite people from YouTube. I have pinned my Zoom live link. I again have few seats in my Zoom live. For more interaction, better interaction, please join from YouTube to my Zoom live. I've already pinned my Zoom live link. I have few seats available. Please join my Zoom live link. Okay, now let's come back. For better experience, better interaction, I suggest you to come from YouTube to my Zoom live. Okay. All right. So now I'll select my rate. I'll be selecting my rate at 18% and then I'll be selecting GST is automatically coming up. CGST 900, SGST 900 because I am from Kerala and this party is also from Kerala. So it is intra-state supply and then I'll click on save button. Once I click on save button, you can see I have added my second record. I've added my second record. Is it amazing? Yes. Is it amazing? Are you really finding this session 100% practical? Just type 100% practical if you are finding this session 100% practical. Great. Great. Yes, if you have multiple invoice, hundred of invoices, then what you can do, we will prepare Excel utility. Concept will remain same, but we will use some extra tools, maybe Excel utility, or maybe we will integrate our accounting software with our GST portal. We can do integration. That also we can do. Great. So what I'll do, I'll just scroll down. I can see nil rated, debit note, credit note, unregistered, tax liability, adjustment of advances. What is this HSNY summary? Again, this HSNY summary is important. Okay. In my case study, this HSNY summary is important. We'll fill this detail. Again, this is not applicable in my case. Export is not there. I filled this. Nil rated is not there. Debit note, credit note is not there. All these data is not relevant. Yes, this is relevant. And so what is this HSNY summary? We will call it as harmonized system of nomenclature. We will call it as harmonized system of nomenclature. Means for each item, each product, each service, HSN number is given, code is given. GST rate is already defined by GST department. So what is this HSN is? Let me show you. Let me show you what is this HSN is. Go to Google and search for search HSN. Search for search HSN. Go to government website CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom. Go there. Visit this website. Search for item. Let's say I search for television. I search for television. Now you can see this television is coming up. On television, GST rate is 18%, 9% CGST, 9% SGST. If you buy big television with 65-inch, 75-inch, then according to government, you are rich person, you are buying 65-inch TV, 75-inch TV, then you will pay 28% tax. Then you are going to pay 28% tax. For each item, government have defined this tax. Okay, computer. You can see GST rate on computer. You can see GST rate on monitor. You can see GST rate on services also. Let's say I search for catering service. Catering. You can see I search for tour and travel agent. For each and every service and goods, HSN rate is defined. GST rate is defined. But right now, in my case study, I have just given you taxable value. I have not shared what item or goods or service we are selling. That is the reason we will skip this HSN part. Otherwise, it is mandatory. Otherwise, it is mandatory to fill HSN wise summary. Is it clear? Yes. Now, next part is document issue detail. I'll just click on this document issue detail and we need to provide how many invoices we have raised in a month. Can you tell me how many invoices we have raised in a month? Just tell me fast, very quickly. How many invoices we have raised in a month? Divya Arora, absolutely right. 2 invoices. Abhishek, absolutely. Anisha, absolutely. Tejas, yes, yes, yes. I can see everyone is typing two, 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 two. So we have raised 2 invoices. Yes, you have raised 2 invoices. Now, what I'll do, I'll just click on this simulation. I'll click on this add document and I'll add invoice from to information. So I'll just click on invoice number 456 to invoice number 457. Is it clear? Is it clear? Just tell me. Yes. And total number of invoices are 2. Total number of invoices are 2. Okay. I invite all YouTube people to join this Zoom live because maybe I'll end this YouTube session in between. So I want each and everyone who are watching this session on YouTube, please join on Zoom. We again have 20-30 seats available in this Zoom session right now. So if you are watching on YouTube, please come on this Zoom live because after 20, 30 or maybe 50, 20 minutes or 15 minutes, I'll end my YouTube session. Okay, so I'll just click on this total number invoices 2 and then cancel the 0 and then I'll scroll down. Again, there is no information about inward supply. Okay, no information about debit note, credit note, receipt, voucher. Okay, then click on save. Then click on save. People are asking for ID. I've already pinned my Zoom link, Zoom live link in this YouTube live session. Just go and check. Okay, I've already pinned. Great. So I'll end this YouTube session in next few minutes. So just come on Zoom live with my pinned button, pinned message. All right. So now let's come back. I've added my B2B, I've added my B2C, I've added my document issue detail. Okay, I've not added, just let me add once again. Let me add it once again. Invoice number 456 to 457 कहाँ चला गया? ऐड तो किया था, जल्दी से दोबारा डाल देते हैं. Let me fill this again. Okay, 2. And now scroll down and click on save. Scroll down and click on save. It's saying already filled here. Okay, just a second. Yes, yes, yes. Why it is not taking up? Just let me do it once again. Cancel 0. Okay. Let me scroll down and click on save. Now it's done. Let me go back. Yes, now it's done. Now I have added my document issue detail. Now I have added my document issue detail. And now what I'll do, I'll just go to next page and click on generate summary. I'll go and click on generate summary. I hope you are really enjoying and finding this session. Yes, please add per click karo. Yes, Sumant. Okay, I have clicked on add and then I'll scroll down and click on proceed to file. Now you can see consolidated summary is coming up. Can you see that? Consolidated summary is coming up and my taxable value under B2B, my taxable value under B2B is 1 lakh 9,000 CGST, 9,000 SGST. If I further scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, my B2C large is 0. My B2CS, B2CS means B2C small is 10,000 taxable value, 900 CGST, 900 SGST. If you further scroll down, you can see total taxable value 1,10,000, 9,900 CGST and 9,900 SGST. Is it amazing? Yes. Is it amazing? Yes. Is we are finding this session really helpful? Just type yes in chat box. Okay. Just type yes in chat box. Great, 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 great. Yes, I can see you are typing yes, yes, yes. Great. So now this room is full. Again, I invite YouTube audience to please join on Zoom session right now because my Zoom after this 5 to 10 minutes, I am going to close this Zoom YouTube session. Okay. So if you are watching on YouTube, please join on Zoom. I've already pinned my session link. Okay. Great. So now what I'll do, I'll just move to next part and click on file statement. And now we are into last step of filing GSTR1. We are into last step of filing GSTR1. When I ask a lot of people like you have joined CA firm or maybe you have joined a company, but you are just doing data entry. Okay, maybe people who are just staying at home and they have just done a BCom. When I ask them how you will learn these practical skills, they will say, I'll join a company or maybe I'll join a CA firm and CA will sit with me and will teach me how to file this. Do you think any CA will sit with you and will help you, will tell you how to do it, how to do GST filing, ITR filing? Do you think any CA, if you are thinking like that, don't you think you are, I'll not say any wrong word, okay? Any CA is not having that much time, okay? Any CA is not having that much time. If you are joining any CA firm who is just starting out, maybe that CA can sit with you. But if you are joining any established CA firm, then maybe you're not able to get chance to interact with CA. There will be some senior accountant, senior manager, or something like that. In between, there will be a person. Yes. Or maybe if you join any CA firm, initial few months, they will be testing you whether you are going to stay with them for a long-term purpose or not. First 3 months, you will be just doing vouching or that. Have you ever felt like that? Or maybe it's been 1 year and you are just doing data entry. Have anyone felt like that? Just type, it is happening with me. If you are feeling, yes, it's happening with me. I've seen a lot of people, they are just joined CA firm or company, or I'm not just defaming anyone. Yes, Manthan is saying it's happening with me. Surya is saying it's happening with me. Yes, great. So So it's up to you. You have to take charge of your life because ultimately you can't hold anyone else responsible. Yes. I'll not tolerate any wrong language. So I need to remove you, Saurabh Yadav, because I don't tolerate. This is not a professional place. Okay, this is a professional place, and if you will write like this, then I need to remove you, Saurabh. Okay. Yes. So I want you to be professional. Otherwise, I'll see anything writing unprofessional, I'll not tolerate. We are going to be accountant, tax consultant. This is not a way to interact. Yeah, I can understand your feelings, but still we have to control our words. Even I can talk in that language, but do you think I should talk like that? No, it's really not professional. I can talk in that language. I know what is happening in market, but there's way to speak. We are right now sitting with lot of people. Okay. Great. So now let's come back on what we will be doing. We will be filing this GST return uh, and click on this last authorized signatory and then our last step. And then our last step is to file with EVC. Once I click on this file with EVC and then click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'll click on verify. Then I'll click on verify and boom, GSTR1 filing is done. Is it amazing? Just tell me. GSTR1 filing is done. Great. How you are feeling right now? I have submitted my GSTR1 in front of you. Lot of you maybe. Now you can see status. Now you can see status of GSTR1 filing. It is showing as done. It is showing as done. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Can you see that? Still, we have to file G. This session is completely live. There will be no recording, no replay. Now I'll be doing GSTR 3B filing. But before moving into GSTR 3B, just tell me, are you really enjoying this session? Are you really enjoying this session? Just tell me, yes or no. Are you really enjoying this session? Just tell me yes or no. Yes, I can see you all are typing yes, 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 100%. Yes, enjoying, enjoying, enjoying. So if you have really learned something from my today's session, just follow me on Instagram also. I'm sharing my Instagram ID. Okay, I'm sharing my Instagram ID with you all. Right now, I'm at 8,300 followers. I want to reach at 10,000 followers, and probably we will be doing that in next 1 to 2 week. So I need your help and support. Just follow me on Instagram. And right now, I'm also going to go live on Instagram in front of you. Okay, I'm also going to go live on Instagram and you can say hi. This is my Instagram channel. This is my Instagram channel, and you can just follow me here. And I'm going Instagram live also right now. Just going live right now. And you can say hi to me on Instagram live as well. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah, just 1 second. Yes. So yeah, so now you can see me live on Instagram as well, and just follow me on Instagram. And right now you can see I'm live on Instagram also. Okay, and let me show you my audience on this. Just a second. Let me show you how many people are there. You can see me live on Instagram as well right now, and let me show you my screen. Right now, how many people are there on this Zoom? You can see how many people are there on this session right now. So almost you can see this audience. Yes, if you can see this number. Yes, can you see that? So these people are live and I'm also live on this time. So say me hi. Just say me hi there. Okay, and I'm yeah, just live on this YouTube, Instagram also. Just a second. Yes, I can see high of your people. You all are there on 90 plus people are also there on YouTube, this Instagram also. Okay, and in YouTube, I can see again lot of people are there on YouTube also. So we are right now live on Zoom, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Okay, so can you see that? Right now I'm live on Instagram also, I'm live on YouTube also, and I'm live on this Zoom session also. Yes, just tell me now. Are you really enjoying this session? I'm opening chat box with the people and talking with all the people who are there on Zoom. Yes, are you really enjoying it? Yes, are you really enjoying it, people who are there on Yes, 80 people are also there on this Instagram. Hello to people who are there on Instagram. Yes, are you really enjoying it? Great, great. So now we are going to, yes, now we are going to learn about this. I hope you are following me on Instagram. If you have really found some value, I want to reach at 10,000. So just follow me. Let me just reshare. Yes, now 8448. Now 8448. Can I refresh once again? Can I refresh? I'll be just stop Instagram and YouTube in few minutes. So I suggest you all to join my Zoom session right now. Zoom session right now. If you have not yet joined Zoom session, just join right now. Yes. Can we start GST 3B filing? No, still 3B filing is pending. We will be doing 3B only on Zoom. I'll be stopping now my YouTube. I'm stopping now my Instagram. And now we will be doing only 3B filing in this Zoom live session. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready for 3B filing? Just type 3B in chat box. Just type 3B in chat box if you are really enjoying. Great. Just type and let me refresh. I hope you all are following me on Instagram. Right now 8466. That's great. So now I all invite you all people who are watching on this Instagram, please join on YouTube, and people who are there only on YouTube, please watch me on this Zoom live session. Thank you very much. And I'm closing this Instagram live right now. Okay, so I'm just ending it now. And yes, just a second. Just a second. Yes. So now let's join, and I'm also closing my YouTube also. So please come on Zoom session only, because now 3B filing we will do only on this Zoom live. I hope you all have joined. Can we start 3B? Can we start 3B? People who are watching on YouTube, please join on Zoom live only. Great. It is the last time I invite people who are watching on YouTube. I'm ending this session on YouTube. I invite one more last time to join my Zoom session. Save this Zoom URL, and I'm ending Zoom session right now, because 3B I'll be doing only on Zoom. All right. So now let me end this live stream on YouTube, because 3B we will be doing live on Zoom. Please join. We have 10 seats available on this Zoom right now. Okay, I